So on the Drew Amburn intellectual property side, we help people with protecting their intellectual property with patents, trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets, and also importantly, if their IP assets are being violated, we will litigate those matters, including patent infringement, trademark infringement, trade secret misappropriation. We help in all those areas. In the intellectual property area, we work with a variety of different clients, from large corporate entities to medium or small corporate entities to even individuals, all areas. So in the patent area and intellectual property, I have worked on a variety of neat cases in a variety of areas, including anything from mechanical apparatuses to software applications, to gaming systems, to aircraft networking components and systems, to silicon wafer processing machines, a whole variety of various areas, even voice recognition software. And it's been a lot of fun, a lot of challenge. As a patent attorney and an IP litigator, I get to see a lot of neat stuff. I'd be happy to help anybody else with their idea in any of those areas or other related areas.
यूजफुल ड्रग्स है एस बहुत ही अच्छे एनाल्जेसिक्स है व्हेन यूज्ड एज ए मेडिसिनल वैल्यू। इनके बिना हमारा काम भी नहीं चल सकता। मिस यूज रोकना अलग बात है, लेकिन उसका यूज भी होता रहे उसके लिए हमें क्या करते हैं, उससे कंट्रोल करते हैं और रेगुलेट करते हैं।
A useful notification could have looked different here. Engagement 4.0 demystified. Airline example number 2. After the Christmas holidays, I was flying back to the United States with my family. We flew from Miami through Philadelphia and into Frankfurt. We arrived, went through immigrations, and went down to collect our bags. You might guess where this is going now. My bag wasn't on the flight. And as the process goes, you have to wait till all the bags come off the flight, knowing, feeling even sadder that your bag might not be there. It was 6 in the morning, and we'd been traveling for 14 hours. So off to the service center. We weren't the first in the line. It took 20 minutes to get to the front. And when we got there, and I showed them my baggage tag, they looked things up in the computer. Very quickly, the agent was able to tell me that my bags had never left Miami. Really? 14 hours later, weren't able to tell me? This is 2016, people. Why do I have to get off the flight and stand in line, an airline, to tell me my bags had never left where I departed from? I have the app for the airplane. I'm logged into the... We're getting plenty other notifications. Most of them pretty useless. A useful notification could have looked different here. The thing that really bothered me is the agent made it very simple. The process was quite quick, and I was really confident my bag was going to show up in the next day anyway. But the agent told me the easiest way for me to do this is go to a webpage, airline.com/baggage. They have a webpage where you can put in your ticket number. It's a web service you could query. Why isn't this happening in their application already today? Why isn't their own mobile application able to query this information? There's no baggage button. Their mobile app has a where I parked my car. Okay, that's kind of interesting. But baggage tracking is probably a pretty emotional subject. Why didn't they do that? I don't even want to say this is Engagement 4.0. This is almost 1.0. Figure this out. I don't mean to rag on airlines. I think I'm going to move my next stories to hotel. These are examples of how this can be fixed today. Engagement 4.0 demystified. Stay tuned. More coming.